I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 249 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, I'm visiting Celebration Key with 6 kids. Can I bring snacks off the boat? I'm going on a cruise in Europe. Do you have ATMs with US dollars? I love Towel and Animal Invasion Day. What day is it gonna be? I know we both can bring 12 packs of soda. Can we bring one 24-pack? And can I use magnetic hooks on the ceiling to hang a curtain?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
Question 1. This cruiser is visiting Celebration Key in a few months. They wanted to know if they were allowed to take any packaged snack items and drinks off the ship to have there. They have 6 kids traveling with them, so they wanted to make sure that they were prepared. John said, yes, you can. You can take off snackies, prepackaged sodas, but you cannot take any meat or cheese products. You can take chips, cookies, and of course your soda off, so probably cheaper if you have the soda package to do that than to buy it on land. But yeah, no meat or cheese for some reason. Piece of cheese out of meat. Don't know. Question 2. This cruiser is sailing on a cruise in Europe and wanted to know if the ATMs there dispense US dollars, or do they have to switch over to euros or pounds depending on where they are sailing. John said they do have ATMs there that do dispense US dollars, and they have ATMs that distribute euros. He does recommend getting as much of your own currencies beforehand, because the ATMs there will charge you a conversion rate and it will save you money. So if you like to have your own currency on hand, and if you're going on a ship, it is US dollars, bring more. You can get it there, but it's going to cost you some. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question 3. This cruiser loves the Towel Animal Invasion Day, but wanted to know which day it will be on their cruise so they can be prepared and get up there early enough. John said it is always the last sea day. They do not advertise it because they want it to be a surprise. I'm pretty sure we've seen it not on the last sea day, but it might have been like Celebration Key, for example. It's a port on the last day, and they were there that morning. So if you've seen them not on the last day, put it in the comments below. We'd appreciate that. Question 4. This cruiser is sailing with their hubby soon, and they know they can both bring 12 packs of soda. They wanted to know, can we just bring one 24-pack of soda? John said, yes, that should absolutely be fine, and he thanked them for asking. It's a pain in the butt carrying around a 12-pack. Who wants to carry around a 24-pack of soda? That thing's heavy. You can't check it. I mean, I guess, no, don't check it. It's just going to blow up in your luggage. But carrying around a 24-pack, I don't know. That's a bit much for me. Last question. This cruiser is a bit concerned about a post from a Carnival PVP, personal vacation planner. They're sharing a picture of magnetic hooks and blackout curtains that was used to create a partition in the room. They wanted to check and see if this was against Carnival's rules, because it sounds like they're interested in doing this. John said he actually doesn't think it is against the rules, but he may be wrong, so he's going to look and get back to them. We use the magnetic hooks on the ceiling all the time. And so I don't think personally it's against the rule, because we've never had 60-something cruises, cabin steward, room attendant, whatever you call them, ask us to take them down. So yeah, I mean, it's actually a pretty good idea if you want to, put a little blackout curtain in between the beds if you're, solo cruising with another person in a 2-person cabin. Not a bad idea. Ta-da! Anyway, that's been episode 249 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.